Good morning, everyone. Honorable lecturers, beloved friends, and my dearest family, standing here today as your valedictorian feels a little surreal. I still remember my very first day meeting Classic. Honestly, I was never and bit unsure. Could I really make friends with all of you? Would I be able to find my place here? At the time, everything feels so new and uncertain. But as time went on, all of the stuff slowly faded, and each of you welcomed me with kindness, laughter, and patience. And because of that, Classy has become more than just a class. It has become a family, a place where I truly belong. I want to give a special thanks to Kyla and Cecile, who have been there since my day one. You both have been my constant support, not only in academic but also in life. From the little moment of encouragement to the times you remind me to keep going. I truly wouldn't be standing here without you. You show me that friendship is not about how long we know each other, but about how deeply we care. And of course, I cannot forget my dearest family. Thank you for never stopping to believe in me, even when I doubt myself. You are always there to remind me that I am capable, that I can go through the challenges of university life, and that no dream is too far to reach with perseverance. Every late night, when I want to give up, you were the one who told me, you can do this. And today, I am proud to say we did it together. And to our respected lecturers, thank you for your endless patience, your endless guidance and wisdom. You were not only our teacher in class, but also our mentor in life. Even when assignments pile up and deadlines feel impossible, your encouragement was us to keep thriving and learning. You reminded us that education is not only about grades, but also about character, responsibility, and growth. We are truly grateful for the knowledge and inspiration you have given us. Today is not only a celebration of academic achievement, it is also a reminder of the friendship we built, the challenges we overcame, and the growth we all experienced together. We laugh, we struggle, we complain about group projects, and yet we survive. And let's be honest, without coffee, instant noodles, and Wi-Fi, I'm not sure we would have made it through this journey. Maybe Wi-Fi deserves an honorary degree today. As we move forward, my hope is that each of us continues to follow our own path with courage and determination. I hope we carry the lesson we've learned in here, the kindness we share, and the strength we build into whatever future awaits us. To Classic, thank you for being my home on this journey. To my friends, to my family, to our lecturers, and to everyone who believed in me, achievement is ours. The scary news is you're on your own now, but the cool news is you're on your own now. Thank you.